Hello, in this video you'll be learning how to add members to Telegram group. Just before we head straight into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, perhaps you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, also turning on the notification icon so you don't get to miss any of our recent uploads. If you find this video helpful, do well to give us a thumbs up and drop your comment in the section if there's a feedback or recommendation you want to give. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So we have the Telegram app, and okay, I have my app locked. So now you want to go straight to the group you want to add members. So I'm just going to be using one of my groups. It could be, let's use this, and click on the group name over there, and you can see where it says add members. I have some members already, and if I'd like to add more members, I just get to click on add members, and it shows you the contact you can add to your group. Then you can start clicking on each contact you want to be added to the group, and you can click as many contacts as you want. And the moment you're done, you want to check it, and all the members will be added, except for those who have set up privacy settings that they cannot be added on any group without their permission. Except for those, every other person who hasn't done that settings, who have no such settings on their Telegram, then you'll be added to the group, and you can have more members on your group. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Do have a wonderful time, and bye for now.